Hey guys, John with THP, and today we're going to use the Disney app to mobile order your food. This is a new way to order quick service meals with the Disney app. Order directly from your phone, wherever you happen to be. Simply select the available restaurant, look over the menu, make your selections. Items can be customized and added to your order. Review your order details at any time, and specialty desserts or beverages that may catch your eye. Double check your order to make sure everything is right. Tap Purchase to submit your order. Once you're ready to enjoy your meal, head to the restaurant. Tap I'm here, prepare my order. Your order will then be made fresh for you, and your screen will update when it's ready for pickup. You'll receive a notification once your order is ready. Or you can track it through the app. And finally, pick up your food from the mobile order window. And that's it. Enjoy your meal. This is John with Travel Hodgepodge, and I hope this how-to video helped you master mobile food ordering at Disney.